This is Biotronix Class 4 Physiotherapy laser. This is not Class 3, this is Class 4. The power will be 10 watt and the wavelength will be 980 nanometer. This is the imported product, you can see. This is the device. This is how the device looks like that. This is the touch screen and these are the attachment. This is the prop. This is quite lengthy prop, you can see. This is how prop looks like that. This is the quality of the prop, you can see. Material. This is the handle of the prop. This is there is a interlock switch behind the same. So I just putting the same again. I have already plugging the wiring behind the same, and you can see these are the protection goggles, 800 nanometer to 1100 nanometer, one for the patient, one for the doctor, and this is the carry box for the protection goggles. This is the USB cable, and you can see this is the lens attachment, and this is the attachment if you need to use the laser a little bit away from the patient body. So this can be plugging inside the frame. Now I will give you the demo. This is the carry box. You can see the same can be placed or same can be carried with the handle and the wheel at the base. So this is the aluminum carry box. You can see the quality of the material. And now I will give you the demo of the device. I will show you by operating the same. So now I will start the device. I have already plugged in the cable. I start the device. You will get the power. You will get the logo Biotronix Solution Forever. You can see there are 10 treatment protocols, 10 treatment area: cervical, thoracic, lumbar, shoulder, knee, hip, wrist, ankle, elbow, foot. So you have all the 10 protocols. You have all the 10 treatment area. You need to select one of the same, and like I select the cervical one. Before starting the same, I need to rotate the key to the on position. I just rotate the same, and now I select the same, and I confirm the same, and you can see the power is 10 watt here, and time I can select. I can operate the same in continuous mode or pulse mode. The power is 10 watt. If I want to change the power, like I am reducing the same to 4, I will confirm the same will be reduced to 4. Now if I want to change the mode, I can go to the pulse. I need to set the pulse width and pulse delay. I can change the same from here, like I am putting 18, confirm, it will be shown 18. Pulse delay 25, confirm, it will be showing 25 milliseconds. So this is the pulse mode. I'm using the same in continuous mode. When using the same in continuous, all the parameters will go away. The only power will be shown over here, and I have already selected 4. Now I will take the prop, and if I press the standby, laser will start coming. You can see laser will start coming, but it is in the standby mode. So currently power is not coming in the laser. So when I will press that key over here, the laser treatment will be started, and when I press the key, it will be stopped, and energy will be calculated over here, and the time will be calculated from there. I am using the protection goggle. I am putting the same on my face, and now I will show you the laser. I am pressing the key now. I am pressing the key now. I am getting the laser and I am feeling the heat at 4 watt only. Within the seconds, within the 1 to 2 seconds, I am feeling the heat on my head. I am keep on rotating my hand, and I am feeling the heat on my hand, and this is the 4 watt power. So I am just stopping the same, and I'm just showing the same on the paper also. and you can see this is the paper, and now I will show you the effect of the same. So you can see I have paused the same, now I am starting the same again. I'm putting the same over here. Within the seconds, if I am not rotating the same, you can see the paper, black paper will start burning. So the paper will start burning, and you can imagine the intensity of the same. So I will keep on rotating the same on the patient area, and this is the laser therapy class 4 type, and the power is 10 watt, and currently I'm showing the same on the paper, and I have already shown you on my hand also. This is the hot laser, so you will feel the heat within the seconds, within 1 or 2 seconds when you apply the same and start the same. Energy will be calculated over here, and this is the 10 watt laser, so you will feel the heat also. And if I keep the same concentrated on a particular paper, especially black in color, the paper will burn out. So this shows you this is the high intensity laser, and this is the hot laser. So and this is class 4 laser, not the class 3. The power is 10 watt. So and these are the attachments. You can see if I need to apply the same from here, I can apply from here also. But if doctor wants to apply the same from a fore area, he can use that attachment, and he can apply from here also. So doctor can use more power, and from the fore area the less heat will be felt. So this is the attachment for the same, and if I remove that attachment, there is one more attachment. You can see this is the lens attachment. So this is the lens attachment also you can use. Like I am applying the same, I am feeling the same, and the heat can be felt on it. Pick a little heat and the gentle one, because I keep on rotating the same. If I will focus the same on my area, it will also give me intense heat. So this is the lens attachment, this is the main prop. You can see this is the main prop. These are the two attachments. If the patient feel uncomfortable, or the doctor feels that patient is feeling uncomfortable, the emergency switch is over here. That if the same is pressed, the treatment will be stopped in between. And it's in the standby mode. Now I'm putting the same to the normal mode, so the light will stop coming, and the probe is not in the operation right now. Pressing the switch mode do anything. And if I put the same in the standby mode, it will be ready to generate the laser, and when I press the switch, it will generate laser. You can see it will generate laser. This is the 4 watt only. So you will see the switch. Thank you for watching.